through winters that forget how to end. I love you through heat, through rain, through fog. I won't forget how to love you. I won't grow weary of it. I won't call it a burden and find ways to set it down. I'll hold you up and hold you to yourself, what you owe it to yourself to be. I love you simply with a joy that borders on madness. I love you. I know sometimes it's still hard to let me see you in all your cracked perfection. But please know, whether it's the day you burn more brilliant than the sun, or the nights you collapse into my lap, your body broken into 1,000 questions, you're the most beautiful thing I have ever seen. I will love you when you are still day. I will love you when you are a hurricane.